Next up is this YF-22 in 1-72, or better known as the F-22, and that was a DLM kit. And again, because everything's carried internally on the F-22, this was again a pretty simple and straightforward build, especially in 1-72. Similar to the Stealth, on this one, very similar, bringing the shells together, although this has a cockpit, bringing the shells together, and then some of the ordnance carried internally, and then I modeled it flying, so I didn't even have to do the landing gear. And then finished it in this prototype paint scheme. And indeed, the blurb and the instructions refer to it as still in development. The YF-22 Lightning Advanced Tactical Fighter is being developed as the U.S. Air Force's next-generation air superiority fighter. It is designed to fly and fight in the most advanced integrated radar networks and dense surface-to-air missile environments. The ATF will feature increased survivability made possible by use of stealth technologies and advanced sensors. It will be highly maneuverable and better than current fighters in reliability, maintainability, and supportability. Its engines will propel it at supersonic cruise speeds without using afterburner, known as supercruise. The engines also have two-dimensional exhaust nozzles to direct exhaust for better maneuverability. Advanced composite materials give it strength and durability with minimal weight penalty. The ATF will carry a full range of air-to-air armament, including AIM-120A AMRAAMs and AIM-9 Sidewinders, carried internally, as well as equipped with an internal 20mm cannon. Hope you enjoyed that, and hope you'll come back for more before YouTube builds. And as always, thanks for watching and happy modeling.